Hi everybody. Today I'm doing a video from my Everything Everywhere Anytime studio, and I hope that's not a trademark violation, but in any case, I'm not too sure I'm going to be able to get to the doctor today for the post-op reveal about what this shoulder's looking like. Yeah, that's me. This is a new shoulder, and this is not hurting me. The issue that I'm having is basically the inflammation in my bicep. I think had to do with what they had to do the job to begin with, and also some fluid into the sinus area that's in all of between the muscles. I think I called that lymph area earlier, and I misspoke. It's all the sinus area between the skin and muscle, and all of that is kind of full of stuff. So I have to massage it out with my other arm, and it feels a lot better. You know, it would really been a great help if I had a blood pressure cuff that I could turn on and turn off every now and then, just to squeeze this bicep and get the fluids out of there. That would have given me some additional comfort. The anti-inflammation medicine I'm taking is over the counter. I'm not taking a lot. I'm taking the recommended dosage for now. Hopefully I won't have to take that at all. And it seems to be doing just fine. Problem I have today is that I'm not going to be able to get out of the canyon here. More than likely, I hear the road is not passable today. Well, yesterday's video I ended with showing what the road looked like yesterday. Today I understand there's a crack in it, and they have to put some sort of steel plate over there. So that's my concern. I think the other concern would be that I would love to get and just take a shower, wash my hair and that kind of thing. It's been over a week, and though I get in and I have been able to use my wand and pretty much shower most all of me, because I take these walks and I get sweaty and I just can't use these pieces of paper that they give you from the hospital that leaves sticky stuff. No. So I just got in with my wand and was real careful not to get anything wet here, and I managed to sanitize myself to a degree. So that was good, and that was refreshing. But today, I'm going to take an attempt to go and find out what that road really looks like. And Miss Guy is here. She was inside with me last night again. And so she's out doing her thing, and I don't want to take her down there with me, because in a way she's a liability. I don't lead her because she's not my dog, but the other thing is that I wouldn't want to be yanked and tripped on lead if she was to go after something, or if another dog was to come after her, or a coyote was to come and do whatever. They normally won't. They run from us because I got the sticks. But I've had to break up dog fights before, and I normally have 2 sticks and 2 arms to do that. So I don't have any of that equipment with me today. I have legs and 1 arm, and I think that'll be about all I can do to get down to see what that creek's going to look like if I want to go across it to go to the doctor's this afternoon. If not, I think a video medicine thing might work as well. Yeah, I think so at this point. I just have to put some new dressing on here, which I don't have. And there's no sutures that I understand underneath this, so they're all underneath the skin. So I can't wait to see what that looks like. And I'm rambling now, so I think what I will do is cut the video right at this point and go about getting ready to go. I'm wearing a cami, and that's about the best thing I could do to put on as an undershirt to my top that I'm putting on, which I have 1 more button-up shirt today, checkered flannel shirt that will go in with my trusty companion here. So I do walk around with this only because it's what I'm supposed to do with this, and I'm following doctor's orders. But right now I've done all these exercises, and this arm says liberate me, let me move a little bit, and there's no pain, and I'm not doing any backward or over the head or any crazy motions. I'm just letting this arm do what it wants to do right now without any lifting or anything like that. I don't drink my coffee with it or anything. I'm just letting it help me a little bit now and then. Okay, that's all. I think I know what that stuffing is coming from now. She didn't chew her bed up. She decided to chew up a sleeping bag. And we're not going anywhere, my dear. You can be a sled dog to the road, and that's it. So here's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and take my car as far as I can down to Duluth Road, where I have to go in order to go to the doctor. I'm going to be way early if I leave now, but Miss Sled Dog here is going to want to leave me, and she usually will stay behind at Roxanne, which is the private road. Then I have to get down to the county road to get into town. So I'm trying not to fall on any of this garbage, which is pretty good, and hopefully we'll make it. If not, the word is turn around, don't drown. Okay, here is where I'm going to stop and where I'm going to check the road out. And if I can't go across, I'm going to turn around. That big tree finally came down. I have a video of this. I was waiting for it. And all the roots. And let me see. We have we're okay. Yeah, I can see the line all the way across, and we're okay. So, to town we go. plan was play it safe. Long way around. I made it. We're here. I'm about 30 minutes early and the car ran great. The exception was the check engine light when I started it this morning, and I can't wait to go in and get my post-op done and head off, maybe get some lunch on the way back. I did take the long way. I went into Fallbrook, got on the freeway, which was flying. They got all the way here in no time at all, no problems at all. So this is some great spirits today. It's really gloomy. We have another atmospheric river coming in next week. Another 2 days of this crazy lot of rain. And so today's a good day, and I'm gonna keep this video going until I get back home. Who knows what's going to be going on there. Probably not much, because I can't do anything yet. That's all. Here's a picture of the original design with the stem and the new drawing with the stemless implant that we have today. That's what I preferred, and that's what we went with. This is what the implant looks like in my shoulder as we're talking, as I made this video. And there's no pain. There's a gap in there. My shoulder moves freely. It's absolutely wonderful. In this video, in this clip here, or this picture, is the actual wound and the surgical site. I just doctored that up a little bit. There's blood underneath that bandage, which is a surgical glue and a mesh that holds all that skin together. So when that's all finished, it should be just a thin line for a scar. Hi everyone, I'm home and everything is absolutely great. It was a great trip. I didn't have any problems with the car. Freeway was wonderful. I got to run into town and got my mail, and got stopped to pick up a little bit of groceries. And this weather is really pretty right now. Well, I should turn the camera around and show you all of the turkey buzzards that are floating around in the thermal sort of right above my head right here. That is one of the things that happens right in this little area that I'm in, and that's probably partly what caused the top of this roof to go flying off. Is there's huge updrafts right up in here, and literally I can take a kite, and I think I'm going to do a video with that. I just stand right there by that little pyramid thing that I made grow tomatoes, and I can hold a kite and it will start going straight up in the air. And it's so fun to watch a kite go up and then start to go over your head instead of going away from you. So that's really kind of fun to stand right in the middle of an updraft and watch that happen. And that's what happens out here in this little canyon, this little area that I'm in right here. And gee, they just go flying over and hang and soar. It's really fun to watch. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna show that on the video today. It was fun talking about it, but I'm home and we'll show you some more videos probably in the next weeks for sure. So I hope you enjoyed watching them, and I enjoy making them, so I'll keep them coming. Thanks. Bye.